Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about Hedge Expert. Hedge Expert is one of the longest running EA in my channel so far, and this is the longest running expert advisor on my single account so far. However, the trading history of Hedge Expert starts from 2020, and we traded on different kind of accounts with different kind of settings, and on this particular account we are completing 78 weeks today, that is 18 months almost. Okay, so let's start it from here. Generally what I used to say that at least 1000 US dollar to trade with one pair, and if the pair is very volatile, then probably you need to increase the balance. Okay, so I started with Euro GBP, Euro AUD, AUD NZD, and GBP AUD. Again, I would like to reiterate that I have taken the wrong pairs. Okay, uh, at the start, because I would suggest you to diversify between different kind of pairs. The cross pairs are better. Like Euro GBP and Euro AUD, I have taken two Euro pairs together, right? So I should use either some other pair, or maybe NZD, or maybe any other pair. Okay, not two pairs of Euro together. And the same with AUD. I have taken three AUD pairs: Euro AUD, AUD NZD, and GBP AUD. Okay, so in case of any extreme complication or any extreme ranging, or maybe any critical condition, if the AUD situation is very good or very bad, then these three pairs are going to reflect into the same direction, or may face the similar kind of thing, right? GBP AUD and Euro AUD will go in almost similar kind of direction, and maybe AUD NZD AUD will be strong, then GBP would be down, and Euro will be down, and NZD would be down, right? So one pair will impact these three pairs that we are using. So that is the reason I would like to reiterate that we would like to use the cross pairs, and with different kind of pairs, not two pairs together. That is what I recommend until you have some higher balance, so that you can afford, like in case if Euro is going on some extreme, either extreme up or extreme down, and if you are using two or three or maybe four Euro pairs together, and if your account balance is just for the three pairs, then probably it will go in one direction most of the time, right? So it is better to diversify the pair. Even if it is happening with Euro, it will not happen with AUD or NZD or GBP together. Okay, so it is the idea to diversify the pair. That is the reason I created some settings last year, but unfortunately this is the longest growing account, and I have been created video on this continuously, and that is the main motivation, or maybe some kind of hindrance, that I have not started creating the videos on the new setting. However, for the people like who purchased or who got the Hedge Expert from me, I used to suggest them to trade with the new pairs, and they are pretty much happy. I'm getting very good feedbacks on them. Okay, let me just show you. Right, so these are the few settings that I have created last year, and then I made some modification as well. I have created many presets earlier, like around 15 to 20, but then I filtered them and just settled it to these 4, 5, 6, 7 pair, 7 settings, right? Okay, however, even in this, like if you see AUD, then CAD, then CHF, then Euro, then there are two NZD pairs. I would not suggest you to trade with both NZD pairs. Maybe you can choose NZD CAD or maybe NZD CHF. There are two USD pairs. One is this USD pair, and one is this USD pair. If you have to choose out of them, I would say to better to trade with the Euro USD rather than USD CAD. And similarly, I think all is well then, right? Like all are okay. Okay, so these are 7 pairs. In case if you have good account balance, then probably you can start with all 7, but if not, then probably I will suggest, like there are choose between one, choose between Euro USD or USD CAD. You can choose Euro USD. Okay, I have just changed the setting, and like it is 15 minutes. This is M15. This is 15 minutes. This is H4. This is day 1, D1, and this is M5, 5 minutes time frame. This is day 1, right? So this is the idea to grow to diversify the risk as well as the investment. Okay, I think like this made you clear that what my point is, that where I have chosen like these 4 pairs. Out of these 4, 3 are AUD impacted and 2 are euro impacted. Like I mean similar kind of pairs that I should have used some different kind of pairs. But anyways, I would not suggest to trade with euro AUD, GBP AUD together, because these two are very volatile pairs, and again these two are AUD, and again there is an AUD pair. So it is better to use some different kind of pairs. But however, I have started and this account sustained very well. However, trading with the euro AUD and GBP AUD together is very risky. Okay, so again I would like to reiterate that next time, or maybe I would suggest you to trade with different pairs, that the setting that I have just shown you, and those settings would be a better, like in case if you like to minimize, or maybe you like to control your risk at some extent. Okay, so before I say more, let's start from here. This is which started with 4000 USD on 19th of July 2021. Okay, so let's start from here. Guys, my apologies, like if you think that I have given some long lecture or something like that, but I don't want to people to mislead, or maybe don't want to get ignorant, or maybe I just want to share the knowledge what I have experienced with. Okay, and whatever I am learning is based on my experience, and this is what I am sharing. Even my account has grown pretty well, and this is one of the longest running account as well. But still, whatever mistakes that I have done earlier, I would like you not to repeat that kind of mistakes, or not for just this expert advisor. Whatever I advises you about the diversification of pairs or using the cross pairs, that is applicable to every expert advisor that you are going to use, not from me, from anyone else. That kind of advice will always help you. And if you don't agree, then try to use, or maybe try to implement it on few demo accounts of whatever expert advisor that you are using. And I said diversification of pairs, and use cross pairs and see the difference. I think this is going to be longer time. I'm using the page down button here, so it will move very fast, but there is no other choice, because the video is already 8 minutes, and we are still on 2021. Guys, in every YouTube video that I created like in the last 1.5 year, or maybe since 2022, most of the videos have 3 links in the video description. Please go through the video description. You will see 3 links. One link is about the videos of the same expert advisor, right? If the video is about hedge expert advisor, then you will see there is a link where you can see other videos of hedge expert advisor, where you can just click on that and you will find the playlist of hedge expert advisor, and you can see all the other videos of that. Okay, and there is a second link where you can find the videos of other expert advisor that I have uploaded in this channel. So if you click on that, then you will find the other playlist of other expert advisor that I have uploaded in this channel. And finally, there is a third link where I used to upload the trading history. Whatever you are seeing right now, it is the trading history of my account. And the same trading history, I used to create the fetch the details and create the trading report, and I used to upload it on my Google Drive link, and that link is there, where you can just click and can watch the video, can view the trading report, or you can even download and can analyze it later. So that is why I am running a little fast here. I just want to save some of the time, because the same kind of trading, or maybe these kind of like whatever the orders are, whatever the trading orders are, you will see the same thing in the trading history as well. So feel free to explore the video links that I have uh, provided, so that you can go through the other expert advisor videos as well. So with a deposit of 4,000 in last it's 18 months, so we are at a profit of 19058.98. Okay, and let me just actually I've just tried to create the trading history, not this one actually. Okay, because it takes around 10 minutes to fetch the trading history. Okay, and this is what running trades right now. This is minus 9 point something. It could be 50, it could be 100, it could be 200, it could be 300, it could be 500, it could be 600, 800, anything, right? I would not you to to think that no, the I mean the floating balance would be just $50 or $100 or $200. No, this is the trading, and since the pairs are risky, it could go some like a bit of drawdown. So I'm not trying to hide anything. It is just something that I used to create the videos mostly on Friday, and since today is Friday, and I'm not sure if I would be continuing this account next week or not, because I need to implement the new settings as well on some different fresh account. So this is the running thing, like around -8 or something like that. And if we see the trading report, just okay, so this is the trading report. It is saying web page is not responding. I'm not sure what is the issue. Okay, it is working now. You have seen what the trading what the running trades are. Okay, so this is the same history, the same account history. This is just in the form of report. If you would like to see it in more detail, you can just click on that Google Drive link, where you can just I have provided you a link with a statement called if you want to watch the trading history, you can just click on there. That will connect with my Google Drive link, and where you can just view the report, or you can download the report, and can whatever you think you would like to analyze the report, you can do it over there. Okay, so guys, in forex, actually forex make it more riskier. There is no expert advisor that can even guarantee you even 5% of the return. So there is no guarantee in any expert advisor, and it cannot be guaranteed. If someone is guaranteeing, you know, this is the I mean, this is something that you will get for 110%, or maybe sure shot, or maybe guaranteed. There is no guarantee in forex market. It is not about forex market. There is no guarantee in any kind of investment in the world, and any investment in the world cannot even guarantee you even 1% a month. Okay, so like some people come to me with the expectation of 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, or maybe 30%, or maybe 25% also. It can be achieved, and even if you see my other trading reports, or maybe other trading history, or maybe other expert advisor, we have achieved even 200, 300, 400% also in a month, right? It is not something, but that is not very certain that you are going to achieve the same kind of profit every month, because that is a very high level of risk. So in that, either you will be able to achieve, or either you will lose your account. So please do not over expect. Without doing anything, even if you are achieving 5%, 8%, 10%, 12%, 15%, or maybe 20%, that is more than enough. My own profit expectation with expert advisor is generally used to be between 8 to 10%, or maybe up to 12%. if if the grace of God I would be able to achieve more than that, then I mean, it's all about the Almighty. Like, it's not something that I have done anything, right? It is all about something that my good time is going on. Otherwise, I mean, do not over expect. I mean, without doing anything, even if you are achieving anything, like any kind of investment cannot provide you I mean, even 1% in the entire world. Even if you're taking a loan, then probably you need to pay 1% for sure, as a guaranteed that you need to pay 1% or maybe 0.89% a month, or maybe, I mean, similar. But if you're going uh, to invest somewhere, and you say that I want this much of guarantee that I will get this month, then you will not get that kind of guarantee anywhere. So if you are taking, you need to pay a guaranteed return or maybe interest on that. But if you are investing, you will never get any kind of guarantee anywhere. So that is why I'm saying, please don't over expect. And second thing is, I mean, forex make it more riskier because we trade on leverage, right? Suppose you are trading with $100. However, $100 is never recommended until and unless you trade it on cent account with an expert advisor, or either you can trade it manually. Okay, but just for an example, if it is $100 as an investment, right, and if it is a leverage of 100, generally we used to use a leverage of 500, 800, 1000, or maybe up to 2000 also. And even I used to prefer more than 500. It's not something that I am very much new or maybe very much different. So even with a leverage of 100 and with a capital of $100, if you just multiply, it would be 10,000, right? So by investing just $100, you are trading with 10,000 US dollar in forex market. So definitely the risk and reward ratio will be in the same ratio, right? Risk and loss, or maybe the risk and reward will be then in the same ratio. If you are lucky, then definitely you are going to earn too much. And if you are unlucky, or maybe I mean, if there is some change in the trend, or maybe market goes in opposite direction of your trade, then probably you might lose as well. So the speed of losing is very fast, because since you are trading on leverage, and if you are using the leverage of 1:1, then the chances of losing, or maybe the speed of losing, would be very slow, because since you are not taking anything from anyone and you are just using your money to trade, right? Okay. So this is all about leverage that I was talking about. And leverage is very, if you take it in positive sense, then it can make you very I mean, at a very comfortable position, that like even by investing just a few $100 or maybe $100 or like whatever, you can trade with high capital without investing too much. And at the same time, if the market goes in opposite direction, you can lose more faster than if you are using smaller leverage. But definitely most of the profit that comes out comes from with the help of leverage. But it has pros and cons, and I have just told you about both, pros and cons both, right? So this is the trading history, and I will upload this report in a day or two in the same Google Drive link. You can just find it in the video description. There is a download link. You can just view it over there. And if you have any question about this expert advisor, or if you are interested in using this expert advisor, or maybe other expert advisor videos that I have uploaded, then please do free to contact me via email. My email address is there. But however, I'm not very much frequent to respond on email, because I used to check my email once, twice, or maximum 3 times a day. And it depends and on what time do I receive your email. But I used to respond to each and every email or each and every message that I received on Telegram on very frequent basis, as and when I'm available. So if you want to communicate frequently, like if you have some more questions and you want me to answer them again, I mean at the same time, then definitely Telegram is better, and we can communicate better. Okay, so you can find my Telegram link over there, and you can connect with me over Telegram or email, whatever. And if there is anything else I can assist you with, then I would love to help you out. And so that's pretty much it for the day. And feel free to connect me, and look forward to see you in my next video with the same expert advisor or a different expert advisor. I'm working on a few other expert advisor also, and I will be uploading their videos soon. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.